In this video, we will guide you through the process using the Solid Explorer File Manager app. Say goodbye to downloading multiple apps or transferring files to your computer. Now, you can easily open our RAR files on your phone with just one app. Watch now and make managing your files a breeze. Start by downloading and installing the Solid Explorer File Manager from the Play Store. Tap on Grant and then toggle on Allow access to manage all files to grant the app necessary permissions. Navigate to your RAR file within the app and simply tap on it. Solid Explorer will display a preview of the contents inside the archive. Want to view a particular file within the archive? Just tap on it to open. Now you can share it or copy and paste it to another folder. Thanks for watching.